So to find the product of this and this is on binary numbers. So this one is 1110, like which is this, times 101, which is this. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Yeah, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. So from here, we have 1 times 0 to be 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So we add up. So when we have our 0, we have 1, we have 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 10. So 1 plus 1 is 10. I get it as 1 plus 1 is 2, divided by 2, you have 1 greater 0, period up, you have 10. So 10001110 is 2 is our answer. Thank you. Okay, we have to change to percentage. Change to percentage. Change these numbers to percentage. So let's start with the first one, solution. The first one we have 0.05. So the first thing we do is to change it to fraction first. And how we change to fraction? We read a straight line 1. This turns to 0. We have 100. We multiply our results by 100 over 1. Why do we multiply by 100% over 1? Because we are changing to percentage. So we can simplify. This can go. So what we have 5 times 1, that is 5%. 5%. Number 2 is number 1. Number 2, we have 3.5. To change this, we have with a straight line. We have 1, 0. We have a 35. So multiply by 100 over 1. 10 here is 1. 10 here is 10. So what you have left? You have 35 times 10. That gives us 350%. So for the third one, we have 0.02. Okay, this to fraction, we have 100. Here we have 2 times 100% over 1. So this can go. So we have 2 times 1. That is 2%. So we have to find the product of the mode and median. Mode and median of this set of numbers. 8, 3, 1, 4 like that. Now what is mode? Modes are the numbers in the elements, in the set of numbers given to us here, the one that appear most. Okay, we have different numbers here. So when you look closely to all this set of numbers given to us, we observe that 3 appear most. So that means our mode is 3. Okay, so a quick tutorial. If they ask us to look for range is just the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So the highest number here is 9 and the lowest number here is 1. So 9 minus 1 gives us that is the range. But what we are going to is that the instruction says we should look for the mode, median, and find the products to times. So the median, to get the median, we need to arrange the set of numbers either in ascending order or descending order. Ascending means from the smallest to the biggest. So we have 1, followed by, we have 3 in 3 places, we have 4, 4, we have 5, we have 7, we have 8, 8, 8, okay, we have 9, which is the last one. Okay, so this can easily go, this can go, this can go, this can go, this can go. So I'm having just one number left as the median. So our median here is 4. So the product will be of the mode, which is 3, and the median, which is 4. That is 3 times 4. Our answer equals to 12. Thank you. We are asked to look for this angle. So from this center to this place, OS is tangent to the circle. We have a line RST now, and the is meeting at this center, at this point. It's meeting to this circle at this point. So how do we go about this? So OS is tangent to the circle here, and from here, when you look at triangle OSP, or so triangle OSP is an isosceles triangle, and for an isosceles triangle, the base angle must be equal. So that means that we need to work with 180, which is the sum of angles in a triangle. So how do we get these two angles, these two missing angles? We see 180 degree minus 96 degree. That should give us 40, minus 96 from 180. We have here 7, 10 minus 6 is 4. This one should give us 70 minus 9 should give us 8, 84 degree. So this 84, we need to divide it by 2. So when we say 84 divided by 2, we have 42 degrees. So the base angle of the isosceles triangle here is 42 degree. And do not forget that OS is perpendicular to this, which is a right angle. Okay, so that means that angle PST, okay, will be 90 degree minus 42 degree. So by the time we minus this from 90, we have 48 degree. So this place is 48 degree. Thank you. Change to fraction in its lowest 10. Okay, so this is in percentage. We have 7.5%, 7.5%, and 12 number 4/5%. We are changing from percentage to fraction in its lowest 10. So solution, we have 7.5%. Okay, we change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15/2 times, this one will change to 1/100. Okay, we can simplify with 5. 5 here is 3, 5 here is 20. What do we have? We have 3 times 1 over 5 times 2 times 20. So this is 3/40 for this. Okay, we can't reduce further, so we stop. So the second one is number 1. The second part is 12 number 4/5%. So when we change this, we have 5 times 12 is 60 plus 4, 64/5 times 1/100. Okay, so what can we simplify? We can use 2. 2 here is 32. 2 here is 50. We can still use 2. 2 and 32 is 16 times 1. Yeah, so we have 5 times 25. So this gives us 16/125. Thank you.
We have to convert these decimal numbers to fraction. So we have 0.25, 1.4. So how do we go about it? We will a straight line. Okay, the decimal point turns to 1. We write it. Every other number turns to 0. 0. So we write out 25. We can still reduce it with 5. 5/20 or 1/4. The second one, we will a straight line. The point turns to 1. This one point turns to 0. So we have 14. So what do we have? 7/5. We reduce it with 2. So the last one, we will a straight line. The decimal point turns to 1. We have 0. We have 0. We have 1. We have 5. So we can write 1 and 5. You can see we have 3/20. So 500 is 20. We repeat it to 0.